Hello, I'm Steve Guilford, the founder and CEO of AsterionDB. I'm going to introduce you to the most powerful software platform available, the AsterionDB Converged Computing Platform. Thank you for joining us. Let's get started. Well, the ransomware epidemic continues unabated. Cybersecurity threats, they're still here. To make matters worse, writing software is getting so complex, it's harder and harder to write secure, stable software systems. The fundamental problem is we have too many resources in the middle tier. User data files, application files, business logic. These are all subject to attack by hackers and ransomware. Keeping these assets in the middle tier is expensive, an organizational nightmare, and an administrative burden. With AsterionDB, we're able to move all of these assets down to the data layer and secure them within an Oracle database. We turn the middle tier into an elastic security isolation layer. With AsterionDB, you can build the most secure, highly efficient software architectures possible. With AsterionDB, you can use our gateway to ingest content directly from the file system. Here, watch. AsterionDB uses keywords and tags to identify and search for content. Unstructured data is inherently multi-referential. Think of a photograph. There's usually many people in the photograph, or there's multiple subjects that pertain to the photograph. With AsterionDB, we provide rich features that allow you to keyword and tag your content by multiple indexes in ways that the legacy file system will never be able to do. You can see that we're setting up a keyword for subject. We're also going to set up a keyword for doctor names, but in this case we're going to use a static list that we can choose from. Let's keyword and tag some of these objects. These are corporate documents, so we'll tag them accordingly. We have a bunch of medical images, so we'll select images in our pull-down. Click this button and we can select all of our images. Now we can apply keywords to all of these medical images. Let's also tag these images with one of our doctor names. It looks like all of our content is gone, but all we have to do is change to all object types and we'll see the rest of our content. Now I'm going to go over to the Search tab and show you how we can query for these objects. The first thing I'm going to do is pull up all of our medical objects. And I'm going to select this group, and we're going to tag it with another doctor name. Then I'm going to select the other group, and I'm going to tag those objects with a different doctor name. Now we can pull down on the doctor names and select for a specific doctor and narrow the items. You can see that this is a much more powerful mechanism than what you can do with the file system. If you double-click on the object, you can see things like properties, keywords, streaming history, and we even have a built-in viewer for things like images and PDFs and video and so forth. That's the end of our quick little introduction. We'll be posting more videos soon, so check back often. Thanks again.